Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Arduino and the drivers that you will require to talk to your Arduino board, as well as how to install a few libraries as you need. So first of all, let me open the lab 1 manual, and if you scroll down to goal 3, you can see that in the step 2 you have this link right over here. You just go over there, and based on your system you just download the setup. Now for the Windows users there are two options. One is Windows application and one is Windows installer. Now the Windows application is known to have some inherent bugs, so just go for the Windows installer, and when it shows up this, just click on just download. Since I already have this setup, I'm not going to download again, but it is really easy. You just download it and it's exe file, so you execute and you install. Nothing special in that. Let's go back to the manual. So once you have done that, then you will probably need to install the drivers. So for that, another link is right over here. Scroll down a bit and you can see that there will be a file which you can download, again exe file for Windows, and you can just download this, and again it is same exe file. So you just double click and you execute, you accept the license agreement and everything, and you just install that. That's basically it. For Mac users, there are some other options. I have done that a few times, but I won't be able to show you exactly how to do that. So there's specific installer file for Mac OS versions right over here, and you can download that and then install that as well. So once you have done this, once you have installed both of these, Arduino as well as the FTDI drivers, you can start your Arduino software and then just plug in your Arduino board using the USB cable. And once you plug it in, you should be able to see port right over here. It might not be selected from the first, but it should say something like com and then some number. If you don't get this right over here, please talk to a TA and get this resolved as soon as possible. The next thing you should do is go to the file, open preferences, and in here show verbose output during, and this both boxes should be checked. So if they are unchecked, any of them, just check them and click OK. Now onto the example. So the first example you will have to run is a simple LED blink. So go to the examples, basics, and blink. That should open some other Arduino instance. As you can see, the code is right here. So in the Arduino, if you want to compile the code, this is the button for it, which is called verify. And if there are no errors in your program, it will compile without any problems. And then you just you make sure that your port is selected, your board is Arduino Uno, and you just upload it. So if everything goes right, which it should, it will just say done uploading, and in here you can say AVR done, thank you. Now if you want to install a few libraries which will be required for a couple of labs, you have to go to the sketch, include library, and manage libraries. Now in this part right over here, so there are a few libraries that you will need to install. First of them is accelerometer. So let's go to the manual again, and it should be in lab 6. And there is a link as well on like just on the same steps. And so just copy this right over here, paste, and you'll see these two options. This is something else. As you can see, it is another sensor 8453, but we want for 8452 by SparkFun. So just go here, select the latest version, and just click install. I already have the latest version installed, so I don't need to do anything else, but that's basically how it goes. For the servo, there is another library as well, and for that all you have to type is servo right here, and just remember this name, you will see that shortly. So again, go here, type in servo, and you can see the servo by Michael Margolis, or I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's the authentic Arduino one. So that's what you want to get. So once you have installed both of this, you can open the examples by going into the examples, and if you scroll down you will see servo. There are two examples, knob and sweep, and the accelerometer there are some other examples. You can go like basic reading, and you can look at the code, and you can just upload that as well. I don't have the accelerometer connected to my Arduino right now, but I have already tested everything, so it should work fine. And that's basically it. That's how you install the Arduino FTDI drivers, and finally how you manage the libraries. Thank you.